How to use the verb to be in English. Be in the present simple tense. Affirmative form. Construction, subject plus be. I am, you are, he slash she slash it is. We are, you are. They are. Negative form. Simply add not after the verb. I am not. You are not. He slash she it is not. They are not. We are not. You are not. The negative form can be contracted. I am not. I am not. He is not. He isn't or he's not. You are not. You aren't or you're not. Interrogative form. To ask a question, it's simple. You have to reverse the subject and be. The verb be is then placed at the beginning of the sentence. Am I making myself clear? Are you happy? Is he okay? Are we arrived yet? Be and preterite, past simple. Affirmative form. I was. You were. He slash she slash it was. We were. You were. Be careful, there is no contracted form. Negative form. I was not. You were not. He slash she slash it was not. We were not. You were not. They were not. The negative form can be contracted. Was not, wasn't. Were not, weren't. Interrogative form. Just like the present, be is placed at the beginning of the sentence, but at the preterite tense, was or were. Was I? Were you? Was he, she, it? Were you? Were we? Were they? How to use the verb to be. In English, the verb be can be either verb or auxiliary. As a main verb, with a name to talk about a characteristic. Sam is very tall. My mother was a teacher. This cake is very tasty. The children were good. Paul and his wife are from New York. The flowers are on the table. As an auxiliary, to make the continuous form with ing. They are eating. It had been raining for hours. To do the passive voice. It's broken. This car was made in Japan. Remember, be has a lot of different meanings. To talk about a state. I'm hungry slash thirsty. I'm lucky. To say the age of someone. I'm 24. He's 17. She is my age. To talk about the weather. It's hot. It's cold today. To talk about size. She's the same height as her husband. He is 6 feet tall. How tall are you? Not how high are you? That tree is about 20 meters high. To talk about weight, do not use to be but the. Verb weigh. He weighs 70 kilos. He is 70 kilos is wrong. To indicate a distance, it's 5 kilometers to the next town. There are often mistakes with born. I was born, not I am born. He was born, not he is born. They were born, not they are born. Question tags with to be. The following formula must be used. Be contracted if negative plus personal pronoun. Positive sentences are followed by a negative question tag, and negative sentences by a positive question tag. You are Paul, aren't you? Miguel is from Spain, isn't he? He isn't coming, is he? Linda was tired, wasn't she? This isn't working, is it? We weren't late, were we? Phrasal verbs with be. There are many of them. Here are some of the most common ones. Be about you. Be ready to do something. The bus is about to leave. He was about to say something. Be off. To leave slash to stop working. Bye guys, I'm off. Make sure the lights are off. Be out. Be absent from home or work. You can talk to my boss, he's out. Be out of. To run out of something. I'm out of flour. I can't make pancakes. He's been out of work for a long time. Be up. Be awake slash increase slash expire. It's 10 o'clock and Tina isn't up yet. The price of bread is up again this week. The warranty of the camera is up. If it breaks now, we'll have to pay for it. Be up to. Planning a bad move, something bad. What are those children up to now? Be plus going to. Be plus going to express an intention in the future or a certainty. We're going to have a party. He's going to wash the car. I think it's going to rain.